All right, welcome back to Better Kansas City. Lasagna. It's a hearty dish you can enjoy year-round, but this recipe is all about fall. Chef Jasper Mirabile is here to show us how to make his pumpkin ricotta lasagna. But first, Chef, we got to shout out your, I got to pronounce it right, scampi alla Livornese.
Exactly, you said it perfectly.
It has received national accolades. Tell us about that.
We are very honored. The Food Network came in the restaurant anonymously and chose our scampi alla Livornese as one of the top dishes in America. They put it over pasta, so people are ordering it now over the Cappella d'Angelo alla Nani. We serve it over wild rice, or we serve just the appetizer. It's a delicious dish. My parents traveled to Italy 4 nights in a row at the same restaurant to get this dish back in 1960. So and it's one of the most popular.
Super huge accolades for you now.
Thank you,
What's
thank
that
you.
like? I mean, you guys have won big awards before, so is this still
No,
hat
this
for you
means a lot
now,
because
or?
the Food Network's pretty big. I mean, everybody knows the Food Network. We have the Rona Award, and USA Today has given us many awards, but this really hit us, this one.
Well, good.
So
well,
we love it.
It's no better KC award, but it's probably a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get started on this dish. Again, we're taking some fall flavors and pumpkin. We're mixing it into lasagna. Maybe not the first thing that I would think about putting in lasagna, but it's...
Well, you know, in Italy, you see, we don't have lasagna like we see it today, especially in Kansas City. Our lasagna is really a Sicilian-style lasagna. It's made in America that we kind of, you know, when the Italians came back from World War II and they brought all their, you know, what they wanted to eat in America, they came back with spaghetti and meatballs and things like that, things you don't see over in Italy. When you go to Italy and you see the lasagna, it looks like this, to be honest with you.
Really?
It's not, you know, some big thick lasagna with meatballs and sausage and all that. It's usually a small layered lasagna. And it's white sauce, bechamel, because remember, until Columbus discovered America, he brought the tomatoes back to Italy. They didn't have tomatoes in Italy. Yeah, so that's a whole nother class.
That's a whole nother, yeah, that's the 500 level class. We're at 101 still here. So let's get started here on the dish. What do we have to do to make it? You already got some onions going in there?
Exactly, so I have some onions right now. Actually, these are one of my favorites. This is leeks. I love to cook with leeks. What a great flavor they give out. I actually put a little bit of butter and olive oil in my pan. And then we have what I made is a bechamel sauce.
Yes. Tell me about the white sauce.
So a bechamel sauce is a basic white sauce. It's one of the 5 mother sauces. And our little secret, we put a little sherry wine in there and just a hint of nutmeg. So we'll put this in the bottom very, very quickly.
Well, that nutmeg's probably really going to help those fall flavors.
It really does. And what a flavor, I'm telling you. Now, this right here, you'll see some little specks in there also because I put a little bit of Romano in there. That's what I call my Italian thickening agent. Instead of flour, we use Romano cheese. Now for the filling.
Yes.
Quickly. Pumpkin ricotta cheese.
All right.
All right.
I can get down with that.
How about this? Now we'll put this together. I like to put eggs in it. The original recipe doesn't call for eggs, but I like to put an egg in it if you'd like. So we'll just put a whole egg in there because it kind of, when it cooks, it's almost like a souffle.
Oh yeah, because that's what a lot of times cookies
exactly.
to not thicken up, but to give it a little lift.
Exactly. A little bit of grated pecorino romano again here. And then this is my other secret here. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready for it.
You're going to like this a lot.
Okay.
A little anticipation here. Make sure I have it in the right pocket here.
Wait for it. Look for it.
All right, wait for it. Here we go. Here you go. All right. I don't tell anybody this.
Uh-oh.
Apple pie or pumpkin pie spice.
Really?
Yeah.
It's almost like
it's not even in the recipe online. Yeah, come on. It's sweet and it's savory.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you mix this together. And then another secret, and I'm not kidding you, you know, you have all these no-boil lasagnas out there where you don't have to cook the lasagna. My niece, Christina, taught me this. Get the lasagna dry. This is not no boil. This is just regular lasagna.
This is regular lasagna.
Place it right in there. And believe me, it's not going to be crunchy at all. It's going to be very, very soft.
Is that bechamel cheese going to come up and that's going to make it
bechamel, and then I put a layer of the ricotta right on top. And then we spread this all around. And then you could put a little more cheese and just keep alternating layers just like this.
Now, how many layers will you do on this?
Well, you know, if I want...
if you were doing it like they did originally, it's a smaller.
Exactly.
But
so
if we want to make
it should be about 2 or 3 layers. Probably in Italy. And then some of the leeks right on top. How about this? Very, very simple. And then we'll just spread that on top here.
All right.
Here it is, already finished.
There we go, right there.
I want to cut you a slice. I'm telling you.
Beautiful, because I'm pretty hungry after watching you make it.
Absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah. So, are you an end cut or a middle cut? Because people talk like that about brownies all the time.
Oh, it's a big deal. Yeah, whether you get the center one or you get the edge
I like
piece.
the center. Some people like the crispy.
I like the edge piece because
you like the edge. Okay, good.
The edge plus you get the
I couldn't find a bigger spatula, so I got this one here for you. How's that?
Perfect. Well, we have a bigger one somewhere.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Here, let's get, okay.
Look at this.
There we go. All right, I got to eat fast.
How about it?
Because they're yelling at me. Here we go. You didn't even have to change the camera. I'm going to eat it right there. There we go. 1, 2. Oh, I get the bechamel
A little
sauce.
bechamel sauce.
All right, boom.
Pumpkin lasagna. Believe me, it's fantastic. Add a little chicken to it, maybe.
Ooh.
How about it?
Ooh, some chicken on it?
Yeah,
All right,
come on.
you sold me, Chef. I didn't need to be sold, but I'm going to eat the rest of that piece during the break. All right, you're just going to stick around again for another segment here in just a moment where we're going to make desserts. And I know it's Honeycrisp apples, which are my favorite.
Oh, yeah. Crostatas.
It's going to be good.